Okay, so hey guys, what we already have is this. We randomly created this city based, actually not based on anything, we just randomly create, oh yeah, sorry, based on the events that that we said that we went to. So here if I said yes, so on every yes, one house was created. But right now the issue is that it's created after it loads and it's created randomly. So what it means that every time the page is reloaded, these houses are reloaded as well, and to the different house, because every time it's generated again with different numbers. So goal for today is to set the generation to the database, so the numbers are generated the same time every time, but we have to figure it out how to set it to database and when, because on the load it's easy, right? We already have this information, then we know that we are checking right now, so we know what we need to generate. The issue is that if we set it to the database, the time is still going, events are still happening, and we need to add more buildings once the event is in the past. For example, if the event is scheduled for tomorrow, like if we are today right now and the event is scheduled for tomorrow and like 5 people say yes, they are going, we can't set the buildings there right now because we are not 100% sure if they will come. So we need to set it for tomorrow, and tomorrow when the event will be in the past, we need to set it. That's not best. So we need to figure it out how to do that. Oh no! I just realized I didn't switch camera, so I wasn't showing anything. Oh man. Oh man. This is bad. But yeah, it doesn't matter. I hope that you understood what I meant, and what I meant is that this is the city, and this is created automatically based on the events from this. It failed? Okay, it failed, sorry. Why it failed? Now it loaded, okay. Based on this, so if I say yes, then new building is added, and this means for, just you saw that the buildings were regenerated because I loaded it again, and the new numbers were created again randomly. So this is what we need to prevent, right? Because we don't want our city to be changing every time. Okay, I hope that it wasn't that bad that I didn't share the screen, and that now, since I'm sharing it, everyone understood. Hi, hello, welcome to the screen, welcome to the stream. And also, don't forget, I keep forgetting to mention this, but don't forget to add to the Discord server. The link is in the description. If you have some questions, you can ask me there, or you can ask anyone with anything, and me or somebody else will answer you. So the goal is to create a community which will help each other with IT stuff. Cool. Okay. Yeah, I'm sharing, so I will continue. So now, when we will save this to the database? That's a real question. And I have no idea, to be honest. Because when we create the event, the city is empty, right? The city is empty, nothing is there, maybe just one building. Let's say there will be one building by default. And actually, I think there already is, because for some reason this big building is in the middle every time. Oh yeah, it's always there. Okay, let's remove this for now. Oh, you see, it again regenerate, but not correctly. Not correctly at all. Okay, so let's imagine I will create new event. Nobody is going to that event yet. It's in the future. We have zero history. But once anybody will open the app, it needs to create the city. So probably the only way how to do this is to check every time app is loaded if the events are already actual and if they are already in the database or not. And if they are not, then we need to set them to the database. That doesn't sound right, to be honest. Is there some other way? Like, even if I used WebSockets, right? Let's imagine I switch to WebSockets. A new event is created. I still need to check for the past events if the date is in the past or not, and create it dynamically and save it to the database. So it will not help me at all. Actually, it will be even more complicated because I will have to check like every, I don't know, more often. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired. Yeah, I think the only way is to simply check every time the app is loaded if the event is in the past. If not, nothing will happen. If it is, but wait, what if nobody will open the app for 3 different events? That means that I need to check every event in the database? No. Wait, I have idea. Okay. I will generate random numbers for every event directly. This means that if the numbers are already there, I don't need to check them. If they are not, I need to generate them. Oh, that's actually a good idea, and it should be pretty effective, I think. Because I need to load the events anyway, and once I click on all dates, I need to load all dates anyway. So I will load the dates in the past only every time I load the app. Once I click this button, I will load only the events in the future. And since I will load only events in the past, I will have to check every single event if there are not random numbers for that event. And if they are not, I will have to check for that event all attendees and then save it to the database and show it here. Yeah, that's actually doable. I mean, checking, like, for example, 100 events, if they are... Oh, I just realized something even better. I can directly filter it in the database on the backend to show me only events without randomly generated numbers. Actually, no, that's bullshit because... Wait. So I have two options. I have first option to add new table, which I will set array of all random numbers. Plus, I will also save those numbers to the every event. So I can filter it and set it to that array. This way the data will be on two places, but it will save me a lot of checking. Yeah, this makes sense. I mean, it's not a good idea to duplicate data, but actually in this case, it makes sense because I will, for displaying the city, I will only check that one table and just one array or something. It don't even need to be table. It just needs to be array like this. So I will simply set this to the database. But I will also have this information on every event. So since I have... Good luck, dude. Hey, welcome to the stream. Thanks a lot. So let me show you the schema, right? Let's say I have the event. Here will be new array of all correct dates, all random numbers. Then for displaying the city, I will only check. Let's start writing it. So array random actually buildings. It should be probably array. I don't know how to write array. Let's say it's array. And actually I think you can just do this. Maybe. Oh yeah, like this. So I have array, but I also need to add for every correct date the random numbers. Is it a good idea to duplicate the data? I can imagine it can cause some trouble. But without duplicating the data here and also here, so here will be also buildings, but only for the correct date. So here will be, let's say, like 40, 50, 33. Here will be the same. But also this is just one correct date. These correct dates is a lot of correct dates. So every correct date will have different numbers. So let's say another correct date will have some different numbers. But here will be all of them. So for displaying city, I can just check this. But for setting new events, I will have to filter or collect dates without the buildings. You know what? For now, let's forget about this array. This can be optimization in the future, or like once I implement this. For now, let's start with this and then we will think about that. Because I need to be able to filter it successfully anyway. Okay. Wait, is there a way how to remove something from city? For now, not. Because for now, it's only growing if I'm saying yes. If I'm saying no, nothing happens. In the future, maybe it will, but I will figure it out in the future. Okay. Okay. So let's implement this. So this will be new route actually. It will be very similar to this. Get all correct dates. But it will be get city numbers. Get city. Get buildings. Okay. It will be get buildings. Okay, I also need event ID. Cool. Correct dates. I don't need tag. I think the good GT is before. Okay, so now this is it. But not equal. We just need less. And what you also need to filter if the buildings are empty. Okay, I need to push it. How was it? NPX, Prisma, migrate def. is empty. That's what I need. Cool. So I want only is empty values, right? Wait. Oh yeah, correct dates is empty. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. And now I also need to create new data. Nobody's watching. So exists something like update menu? Oh, it's event. I need to correct dates. Okay, now I need to check for all attendance, right? How am I doing this here? For each push random number. Okay. This is exactly what I need. Buildings is string. I meant to be number. N should be enough because I only have values from 0 to 100. Wait, and I'm invisible actually? Yeah, I am. Cool. I just realized I can't have asynchronous calls in for each. It's not working correctly. I need to have it in for. Yeah, like this. You cannot use for each. Horrible. Ah. Okay, with this, all buildings should be updated with random numbers. If the attendant is going. And then I need to simply fetch it again. And wait. Buildings. No. Wait. Okay, this is weird little bit to do this every time. Because right now, for displaying the array, I need to do this. So, buildings. Okay. This should work, right? I'm destructurizing the array and pushing all the numbers to the array, so it should work. Not? I think it should work. I think this is not correct. Okay, let's test it. Really? Ah, okay. It needs to be without this, like this. Cool. Cool. Let's now add this calling somewhere here. So instead collect dates, let run collect buildings. This is simply number data. Okay. Is somebody watching? Oh yeah. What's up, bro? How is going? Yeah, it's good. Good. Right now I'm trying to finally create setting the random numbers of the city so I can display them the same time every time I load the app. Yeah. But I wonder what is causing this error. Because I think it should load. Or it's not loading? Get buildings. Looks like it's not even calling this for some reason. Wait, for some reason it stopped communicating. Oh, because this failed for some reason. Cool. Cool. Let's log in. Cool. We are logged in. Let's load the city. Mm-hmm. Empty. Why empty? Oh, no, it's correct. Wait. Hmm. Looks like the filtering is not working. Mm-hmm. For some reason, this is not working. Hmm. Why? Why? Every building should have empty array. Mm-hmm. It was not finding it because it was null and not empty. Now it should work, I think. Every building is empty. So right now it should find all buildings, all of these values. But it's not happening for some reason. For instance, to find all users with no post, you would use empty to not post, not. Still empty. Isn't it calling? I think there is another issue with this because it's basically displayed all the time since I use it in the carousel. Ah, now it worked. Okay. Yeah, that was the issue. Okay, new idea. But here I need to add check that I need to do this only if like this. Okay, this should work. It's not best, but it should work. Cool. And now the city should be same even if I reload the app. Okay, so this is the numbers. One 54, 53, 83, 54, 5. Nice. Cool. So it's working. So it's working. Cool. And the name is test. But Now let's try to open it again. Is somebody still watching? It looks like it is. Cool. So this looks the same. This is the same city. Cool. But now, let's say I will change some. This will not happen normally, right? Because this will be not here. This is not be in the past. Let's say I change this to yes, and this as well. This should change the city, but it failed. Oh man. Why is that? Okay, it correctly added 2 new numbers and it pushed them here. Yeah, they are there. That's cool. That's cool. So it was correctly created. So why it failed? Ah, it's because of the 0. I still don't have correctly set the boundaries. It's because it can't be from 0, it needs to be from 1. Let me quickly switch. Just need to find something. I think you just need to add +1, yeah. But I wasn't sure. Because I didn't want to have 101. Wait. Okay. So maximum is 100, but it will route it down. Okay, cool, that's even better. Cool, now it should be fixed. Now it should be fixed. Cool, we have more people watching. Nice. Wait, for some reason I stopped recording my screen. Mobile. I will run it again. Give me a second. I'm doing this so I don't show something that I'm not supposed to. But now I can switch back. How long am I streaming actually? Oh, over an hour. Cool. Cool. I still wonder what's causing this error. We will need to figure this out. Oh, tunnel failed. Okay, maybe that's why. Okay, so there is no error normally. Let's test the test. It's failed again? What? Did I save it? I did. Why is there 0? Oh, because it's already in the database. I need to remove it, right? Oh man. What's the event ID? Wait, it's not football, it's test. Zero. Cool. Now it should work. No questions, but we still have 2 users. 57. Wow. Cool. Yes, now it loaded. Now it loaded correctly. It generated even a new number that is not 0. Nice. And as you can see, we have nice city. And now, let's say, I will say yes. It should generate new building. I'm not sure if that was generated or not. So let's hack it. Let's say I was in some events. It should generate new numbers. Ah, wait. This. Ah, 3 more. But wait, why it hopped? Oh yeah, it hopped because I'm changing the events in the past and it's pushing that array to that place of that event. So it makes sense that it changed. But if I will change something later, like after, I don't know, this one, it should not change actually. Oh, maybe it's not in the past. Oh no, it's not in the past. Okay. Okay, I have no way how to change this now because I'm not displaying. I don't have enough data, but it works correctly. We have randomly generated city correctly for same uh, for same for everyone, because everyone will see the same city. Actually, we can log in as Peppa to see this. Yeah, I need to fix this issue with the keys, because it's you know, sometimes it can be, if this is 2 and this is 3 and then this is 3 and this is 2, it's the same key. Let's add the index, because here it doesn't matter actually. Or does it matter? I know what is always the different. Okay, positions are always different. I don't know, property position. But why is it working? Weird. Cool. So let's log out. Let's log in as Peppa. Unauthorized. Wait. Cool. As you can see, the same building. Very nice. And if I say yes, did it something? But I'm not sure if it's growing or not. It's not growing. Why is it not growing? It is in the past. Oh no. Oh no. I have a big flaw in my design. Wait, will this happen in the real life or not? Because I already have a value in the array of buildings. So now if I'm changing the outcome, it is not checking it because the array is not empty. But I am changing the past. This should never happen. It should always be same. So if the first person will save it to the database, then it will stay same. So it's actually not an issue. Yeah, it's correct. This is suppose how it should work. Because if I would say, I think, let's say for these two events, somebody else will as well. So there will be like 5 people that said yes, and then it will be checked, and the first person that will load this will set it to database so other people can have it the same, and there is not even race conditioning because the second people will not like override it. It will already be in the database. It would be only issue if 2 people will do that on the exact same millisecond, but let's not think about it for now. Cool. So it's actually working exactly how it's supposed to. And with that, it's pretty much finished. Hey, how are you? Welcome to the stream. And also, what I need to fix is this, because this is not supposed to be in the past, the all dates. So now if I will open all dates, they are supposed to be only in the future. And today is 26, and as you can see, I have only 27. So if I will say yes here, why it failed? 52, what is 52? Is it something I said? No. Hmm. yeah, so let's test it and let's check tomorrow, right? If it works as it should. I have event for tomorrow, sorry. I have event for tomorrow. Which is this one actually. So I say yes. I am going. And tomorrow, right now it should not change the city. But tomorrow, 2 new buildings should be there. So let's save this array. I will save it somewhere. Give me a second. Okay. And let's check tomorrow if there are 2 new buildings. It's in the morning. The event is in the morning, so it should work on tomorrow's stream. Because as you can see, I am going as Peppa right now, and also Philip is going. So that's why 2 more people, 2 more buildings should generate. Cool, I think, actually I think the app is fully finished. Let's test, so it's working. I mean, MVP is finished. And let's fix all the small issues like sending passwords and some error handling and some other things. And once it will be polished, I will need to test this app a lot. Once it's polished, I will try to push it to the App Store and Android Store, or Google Store, how it's called, Google Play. And in the meantime, I will hire someone to create design for this app, and then I will rewrite it to new design, but it should be pretty quick. And also I will probably use different models and also probably improve the algorithm a little bit, so they are not so like in the same distance between each other, so it's created randomly. And also I will add some surface and other things. But yeah, I think as MVP, it's cool. It's cool for now. Okay, so that's all for today. I really like that you were watching. Quite a lot of people joined today. Right now is nobody watching, but that's okay. And yeah, thanks a lot. We made some progress today, and let's see you tomorrow. I will check, we all will check how it happened. Actually, as you can see, I have my phone here and I'm testing it on my phone. So the app is fully working. Okay, so yeah, like I said, let's see you tomorrow.